Ever wished you could answer your door from anywhere? Introducing the Blink Video Doorbell, your solution to home security and convenience rolled into one sleek device. Imagine being able to answer your door without being physically present. With 1080p HD day and infrared night video, plus two-way audio, you can now do exactly that. This is not just about convenience, it's about peace of mind. The Blink Video Doorbell is designed for endurance. Its long-lasting battery life ensures that your home remains secure and connected. And with custom alerts and privacy settings, you can tailor your doorbell to suit your specific needs. But there's more. The Blink Video Doorbell is smart. It sends alerts when motion is detected or when someone presses the video doorbell. Wire it to your existing doorbell or pair it with a sync module to engage live view and two-way audio on demand. Every moment matters. And with the Blink Video Doorbell, you can choose to save and share clips in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan. Prefer local storage? Pair it with the sync module 2 and a USB drive. The Blink Video Doorbell is designed for every home. Go wire-free or connect to doorbell wiring to sound your existing in-home chime. You can even use your Blink Mini camera as an indoor plug-in chime. Setup is a breeze. In just a few minutes, connect the device to Wi-Fi via the app using the two included AA lithium batteries. And for the cherry on top, the Blink Video Doorbell works with Alexa. Receive alerts and answer with two-way audio. When wired or paired with a sync module, you can simply ask Alexa to answer the front door. Your package includes one video doorbell, two AA1, 5V lithium batteries, 4 screws, and 1 case opening tool. Why wait? To order your Blink Video Doorbell, check the description or the pinned comment for the product link. Secure your home with the power of convenience and technology. Order before stocks run out. Remember, with the Blink Video Doorbell, you're always home.